guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna do another day skin care regimen. I like to switch it up every once in a while. So today it's gonna be featuring this Glam Glow paint set. I love Glam Glow. They have like the best mask. Like my skin feels flawless and just like a baby's bottom when I finish using them. My boyfriend got me this for Christmas. He's a little different. They're like really glittery and fun. So we're just gonna use this first just to kick off the video and just kick off the day. So let's get started. So we're gonna use the chrome mask that comes with this set. It looks so dope, you guys. I cannot wait to put it on. Look at it. I mean, I look like a disco ball, but I think it looks so cool. So I'm gonna spread this all over my face. I couldn't find my mask brush that I use to put on all my masks. I don't know, I just did some spring cleaning, so I probably misplaced it somewhere. But my fingers are fine. Like, no one's too good to use their fingers. This looks so cool. I look like I'm like mime almost. Or I should be in like a Beyonce video or something. You know, her old videos. You would know if you're a real fan. So we're gonna let that sit for 10 minutes. Please don't mind me. I'm always dancing to the music in the background. Like, I get lit every day. It puts me in a great mood. Y'all, I really feel like I look like a mime. When 10 minutes is up, you're gonna peel off the mask. This is the craziest part about taking off a mask. Like, I hate peeling all this stuff off and it gets so stuck around my eyes and my baby hairs. I mean, eventually I do go get a towel and just wash it off. But sometimes I just wish I could perfectly peel it all off. But I'm dreaming too much. So once I wash it all off my face, I just put a orange peel toner around my face to give it a glow. And then I'm done. Look at that glow. I do feel like my face is a lot glowier. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. See you next tutorial. Be sure to subscribe below. See ya.